My peanut butter and gold chocolate ice cream is a one-of-a-kind gourmet treat. And I made it without added sugar. Let me show you how easy it is to make. To 330 grams of milk, I'm adding 120 grams of peanut butter. And to 50 grams of xylitol, I'm adding 0.3 grams of xanthan gum and 0.7 grams of guar gum. Then mix everything with 50 grams of skim milk powder. Bring the peanut butter and milk mixture to 40 degrees Celsius. Add the dry ingredients and never stop whisking until the mixture reaches 80 degrees Celsius. At that point, cut the heat. Pour the hot peanut cream over 120 grams of gold chocolate. Blend the mixture smooth and then add 330 grams of cold whipping cream. Continue blending the mixture on high speed for 2 minutes. Cover the ice cream base with plastic wrap and then refrigerate it for 8 hours. And after 8 hours, peel off the plastic and blend it again for 2 more minutes. Churn the ice cream in your ice cream machine following the instructions of your manufacturer. When the churning cycle is done, transfer the soft ice cream to a frozen casserole. Level it and then freeze it for 6 hours. Let it sit at room temperature for 10 minutes before you scoop it out. My peanut butter and gold chocolate ice cream scoops out beautifully. It's super creamy, rich, and if you hadn't just made it yourself, you'd swear it comes straight from a gelato shop. Sprinkle some chopped gold chocolate and salted peanuts on top and enjoy it. Let me know in the comments below how it turned out for you. See you next time, dessert lovers!